Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to ELS, English Listening and Shadowing.
Yep, the place where English learning feels fun, natural, and totally stress-free.
We're super happy you're here.
And before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment.
Ready to practice your English with us?
All right then, let's get started.
So, Jess, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, Ray, but to be honest, I am a little bit sleepy.
Sleepy? Did you stay up late again?
Yes, I was working until 2 a.m. Typical night owl life. What about you?
I am fantastic. I woke up at 5 a.m., I exercised, and I feel great.
Wow, you really are an early bird.
And today, you know what? Today is going to be different, Jess.
Different? Why, Ray? You seem very excited.
I cannot help it, Jess. Today is special. We are not just teachers today, we are singers.
Singers? Well, we tried our best. We created 2 original songs to help you learn English pronunciation.
I made a morning song and Jess made a night song.
We will play the full songs first, so listen carefully to the words.
Okay, turn up the volume. Here is my masterpiece. Start the day.
Open your eyes, look at the sun. The morning time has just begun. I drink my coffee, I make my bed. Happy thoughts are in my head. Wake up, it's a brand new day. Wake up, come out and play. Don't be sad and don't be blue. This beautiful day is waiting for you. I brush my teeth, I wash my face. I am winning the morning race. I put on my shoes, I walk out the door. I am not sleepy anymore. Wake up, it's a brand new day. Wake up, come out and play. Don't be sad and don't be blue. This beautiful day is waiting for you. 1, 2, ready to go. Fast, never slow. Smile at the world and say hello. Hello! Wake up, it's a brand new day. Wake up, come out and play. Don't be sad and don't be blue. This beautiful day is waiting for you. It's waiting for you. It's waiting for you. Don't be sad and don't be blue. This beautiful day is waiting for you. It's waiting for you. Yeah, it's waiting for you. Start the day.
Wow, Ray, that was intense. I feel like running a marathon now.
It gives you energy, right? Okay, class, let's learn from the lyrics.
First, let's talk about rhymes. Did you hear verse 1? Ray saying, I make my bed, and thoughts are in my head.
Bed and head, they have the same sound. Also in verse 2, wash my face and morning race.
Now, the most important pronunciation tip. In the chorus, Ray says, wake up.
But I don't say wake up, I connect the sounds. It sounds like wake up.
Wake up. The K moves to the second word.
Try it with me. Wake up, wake up.
Okay, Ray, that is enough energy. Now we need to calm down.
All right, let's hear your song, Jess. Is it a lullaby?
It is a lo-fi vibe. It is called Neon Dreams. Close your eyes and listen to the flow.
The city lights are glowing bright, walking through the purple night. No alarm clock, no rushing sound, just my feet upon the ground. Let it go, let it flow. Take it easy, take it slow. Close your eyes and count to 10 until the sun comes back again. I look up at the silver moon, sitting in my quiet room. I listen to my favorite song. Here is where I do belong. Let it go, let it flow. Take it easy, take it slow. Close your eyes and count to 10 until the sun comes back again. Breathe in deep, breathe out low. Let the stress and worry go. The stars are shining just for you in the midnight shade of blue. Let it go, let it flow. Take it easy, take it slow. Close your eyes and count to 10 until the sun comes back again. Neon dreams. Go to sleep. Good night.
That was nice. I feel peaceful.
Let's look at the English lesson here. In the chorus, I sang, "Let it go."
But it sounded different. It sounded like one word.
Yes, in American English, when a T is between vowels, it sounds like a soft D. So let it go becomes let it go.
Let it go. Let it go. It is very smooth.
Same with the next line. Take it slow. It becomes take it slow.
I also liked verse 2. You said, I look up.
Yes, look up. The word look ends with a K. Up starts with a U. We connect them. Look up.
So in my song, it was wake up, and in your song, it was look up.
Exactly. The secret to speaking like a native is linking. Don't separate the words. Connect them.
Okay, listeners, now you have a choice.
Which team are you? Team Ray, Morning Energy, or Team Jess, Night Chill?
Vote in the comments below and tell us your favorite word from the songs.
Your homework is to replay the video and sing along.
Thanks for watching ELS. Have a productive day.
Or a relaxing night. Bye, everyone.
Wait, don't go yet.
Ray, what is wrong? We already said goodbye.
I have one more surprise, a special gift for our loyal listeners who are still watching.
Let me guess. Another song.
Yes, but this one is not about morning or night. It is about life.
You really love the microphone today, Ray.
I do. This song is called Life is a Journey. It is for everyone who needs a smile.
Okay, let's play it. Go ahead, pop star.
Hit it!
The sun is up, the sky is blue. There is so much that we can do. Walking down the busy street, smiling at the friends I meet. Life is a journey, enjoy the ride. Keep your eyes open wide. Every mistake is a lesson to learn. Now it is your turn. Sometimes the rain will start to fall, but that is no problem at all. Just open your umbrella and dance. Give every day a brand new chance. Life is a journey, enjoy the ride. Keep your eyes open wide. Every mistake is a lesson to learn. Now it is your turn. Don't worry about the past, time goes by so fast. Just be happy, just be you, and make your dreams come true. Life is good, life is sweet. Enjoy the ride. Life is good, life is sweet. Enjoy the ride. Life is a journey, enjoy the ride. Keep your eyes open wide. Every mistake is a lesson to learn. Now